So this is just a real quick overview of a commercial installation that I'm doing right now, and I'm going to actually use two antennas, and I just want to show this real quick. So I've got the one on the top and the one just underneath of it. Normally I wouldn't have them that close together, but my meter is telling me to do it, so I'm going to trust what the meter says and not what my instinct says. I can't use an amplifier. If I use an amplifier, we're going to have trouble with these air conditioners that are running at probably 440 volts. And they're creating a lot of noise, so I had to move the antenna around in a few different locations. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but we got this noise coming over here, which is creating signal noise, not physical noise. But so I can't run an amplifier on this system, at least outside. I can't use a preamp because it's going to amplify the noise over top of the signal. So I'm just combining these two antennas. You'll see how I'm doing this with a splitter. Nothing to it, nothing major. I'm going to test these signals real quick. Kind of see where we're at. I've got one point in the opposite direction. I usually tell people not to do that because you can totally distort your signal. But in this case, I've got no choice because my battery's dying. Because I need channel 13, WZZM 13. Here in West Michigan, I need that to come in stronger than it is, and I'll just do it this way. So for example, this is radio frequency 8, which is actually matching virtual channel 8, 183 megahertz. It's coming in pretty good. This is, no, sorry, that's virtual channel 3. My battery's dying, I just can't get this thing to work. But anyways, just a quick overview of a dual antenna at a commercial account with HVAC creating distortion, and ditching the preamplifier, running two antennas, and we're going to hook it up into 8 TVs downstairs into this location. It's a bar, so a sports bar, so they need a lot of TVs hooked up, and this is going to do it. I got pretty good signals with both of these antennas with this setup in this position. And I tried a few different spots, and literally moving this antenna just over on this side, I almost lose 50% of one of my most important stations that they're going to watch here, which isn't going to work because they need their local station. But the problem is it's in that direction, about 60 miles away, and then we've got all of our other local stations. There's 4 broadcasts about 40 miles away in that direction. So I'm using this little small antenna to catch at 533 megahertz in the north direction, and this one slightly to the south to get the rest of them. So just a little quick overview. Thanks for watching.